Alright, so to match this, actually it was like this before. This is the way it looked before, and because that it this color doesn't match with this rock layer, I went to the options here and changed the saturation to something like 0.3, and if I do that, this is the way it looks now. So it's not perfect, but somewhat match. Also I have imported, let's see what happens if I make this 0. It looks like this, perfect black and white, but from the distance it looks a little light. That's alright, we have all the details we need. So right now the next thing is, still this doesn't really match, so maybe we can do something in the material. So this is the material instance. I'll open this material. And then we can do something like this. Let's add the word line blend node, and I'll promote bias and sharpness to parameters as the default values. Yeah, let's see about that later. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend this. Oh wait, we already have a tint node here, so does that mean we can, right, we can add some color to this. I can blend this color, that means for some, up to some extension. So right, let me put one back, and then let's get this clip layer here, clip material instance here, and let's change this tint to black. And also I need to increase the tint intensity as well. So if I set it to 1, it looks like this from the distance, which is not cool. No, let's forget about that. I'll make, right, this is the way it was before, so I need another layer and lerp it with this, like this. No, for the alpha I need this, and for B, for now, I'll promote this to a color, I just want to see how it looks. I'll make it green. Let's increase the sharpness to 1. Right, and bias also to 1. No, I'll keep the bias at 0 and sharpness at 0.5. Right, now instead of color, I'll use the same texture that I have used for the landscape. That means this grass. That means this ground grass layer. I'll use it for here, and I'll convert it to a parameter. Let's name it as top layer. Right, now let's apply this and see how it looks. Okay, definitely we need to work on the scales. This doesn't look like the ground. Why is that? The color is different. Maybe let's where is the layer? Let's try adjusting some values. Okay, now color looks alright. So I'll reduce the sharpness. Like this. Wait. I think I should change the layers locations. Yeah, we need to do it like this. This color should be in the top. So 0.4 minus 2. .4 bias is -2 and interchange. Top color should go here and the other color should go into B. And also I need to add some tiling to this. I'll promote this to parameter. Let's call it detail tiling. I'll keep 2 as the default value, right? Wait, why is it all green now? Okay, I think blending is fine. It doesn't look very realistic, but better than what we had before. That's because this distant color doesn't match. Yeah. Oh, okay, now it can blend nicely. And we have a slight mismatch. We can fix that too, but well, I am still not satisfied with this effect. What can I do to get the exact effect? Yeah, let's open the landscape material, and this is layer 3, right? L3. Let's take a look. L3, right here. L3 is this one. Maybe what if we copy these all? To yeah, let's copy that all to this material. It will make this material a little bit complex, but oh, we should just add a tint here. So what can I do to match these two? Right, so this color and this color should match. This is cell 3. But if I change the tint to something else, this scaling is too small. Let's fix it first. The scale. Scale should be, let's try 4. Is it alright? No, still too big. Let's try 8. Yeah, seems alright. Okay, now the color. I'll put the cliff aside and let's play with this color. Let me remove some grass here so that we can clearly see. Right, I think they are quite fine now, but we can do more, we can do better. Well, I don't know, man. This is bad. Yeah, let's try to match with the other layer then. This layer. How? Yeah. What's that layer? T-rock sandstone. Okay. Let's use that for the here. Sandstone. Apply. Let's see what happens now. Well, for this styling is too small, I guess. No, 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 this is not good. Okay, this is a failed attempt. I'll completely get rid of this part. That's not going to work. Okay, and yeah, sorry for wasting your time. So I think I need to find another solution for this.